my beautiful children had their bath. Yes. My lovely wet birdies. It's Fancy with the wet. And Lucy, yes, I hear you say Lucy. That's right. Yeah. Yes. Lucy, that's right. Yeah. Did you have a good bath? I know you're Lucy. Yes. Yeah. I look all pretty from your bath. Look at you, wet birdie. Yes. And how's Jack Jack? Was it trouble? Oh, Jack Jack. I'm sorry, honey. But you dry nice. You do. You look very handsome when you're dry. Oh, Jack Jack, was it trauma? I'm sorry. Poor Jack Jack. Yeah, he looks a little funny when he's wet. But you dry pretty. You do. Sorry, Jack Jack. Lucy, are you laughing at Jack Jack too? Yeah. Yeah, you're funny wet too, you know. Yes, you are. Yeah. Hi. Are you talking to the kitty? Yeah. Your friend Kitty Kitty? I hear you over there, Miss Vance. You're getting dry, playing with your toys. Hi, Goose Goose. You can get all dried off. Yeah. You be a clean girl. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, you're gonna come say hi again, are ya? Hi, pretty girl. You're heading for the high ground, Jack Jack? Oh, I know. It was traumatic. I know. Me and Mommy to make you get clean. Hello, pretty fiance. Did you have a nice bath? Would you like an ice cube? Hang on, Mommy, I'll get you one. Yeah. It's your favorite after bath treat? I want the ice cube? Oh, yummy. Yummy. Nothing like an ice cube after your bath, huh? Good girl. Is that yummy?